up, guys? This is gonna be my first YouTube video. I got my little sis right here, you know what I'm saying? And today we're gonna be going to the outlets. I got a $100 Nike gift card for Christmas, and today's like what, January 8th or something like that?
January 9th. Yeah.
Well, we'll see what's there. I'll record, see if there's any cops or not.
That looks funny.
It does look kind of funny.
Feels weird because I just want to keep looking at myself.
I don't even know what you listen to.
I listen to like R&B music. It's like R&B and like, yeah, I mainly listen to R&B. I used to listen to rap, but I'm not really into rap anymore.
Oh, I didn't know this song. This song was like back in like 2017, I think.
I like the old songs, like 2000 songs is good. Like Usher is good.
So, how are you guys doing with all the online school? Because I know it sucks for me.
It sucks for me too. Like, it's hard because, okay, math, I'm more of like, I have to be in class. Because I can't pay attention if it's in online.
Like science classes, like they make us watch these like stupid like lab videos and stuff. And I'm not actually there to like do it, so I always like have a hard time.
Yeah, science is going to be hard. Because I have biology next semester. I like biology, but I'm more of hands-on when it comes to science.
That's facts. Yeah, see, if I brought Chang, he wouldn't want to do this. Oh, you're wearing your new shoes.
Yeah, I'm wearing my new shoes.
good, everyone? So at the line right now, the Nike outlets, and the line's always long here, so stay tuned. Please, you know what I'm saying? Got some basketball shoes. Got these. A lot of Kyrie's. Not really my style right now. I have too many basketball shoes. Got some KD13s. Got some Kobe's too. I like these blue Kobe's. There's some black ones too. PG4s, all white. 129, 130, whatever. Got these joints, all the fake Air Force Ones. These look alright. Got these right here. I don't really mess with these. Joyrides, I have a pair. I have this one in a different colorway. Okay.
Hey,
Weird, but it's all good.
finding some shoes.
You can hold it.
So you buy these, you got 10 of these, you got 10 of these.
$80. Where's the Kobe's? Oh, don't they look now?
A little bit, yeah. Look at these dad shoes. Running basketball shoes. I feel like you should get running shoes. Like gym shoes.
Yeah, like these. All whites.
Those are nice and the squiggly fun.
Yeah. It's alright. Do I even wear black? I don't think I
You
have.
don't wear black
I don't have a
shoes.
pair of black shoes.
Like black gym shoes, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you copying?
I'm gonna get these blue sweats. I got the wrong size last time. I got a
Yeah.
small, so I just gave them to my dad.
Yeah. I already looked in the women's section and like, I don't want to spend like $30 on a sports bra. It's like not worth it.
Just buy it, it's worth it.
Should I? Unless you want to get it for me.
I'm good.
See, that's why I don't want to get it.
I got the bolts on. Air Max 90 volts. And what you got?
What is this shoe called?
She's got the what is it? The Nike Cortez. I got her those for Christmas. You know, pretty good.
What shoes are those?
PG4s. But they're on sale for like $70.
So he's trying a 9 and a 9.5.
Yeah, I got these are hella tight.
You guys doing alright over here?
Yeah, we're good.
Is that a 9?
Alright, these ones are a little tight. I gotta go 9.5.
So these are the
Yeah,
fresh
these are the
ones.
ones you want to get because like it still has the laces like that, and it still has
things
the
inside.
paper stuff. These are fresh there. No one's tried these on. Untie these joints.
How you guys doing, alright?
I'm good, yeah.
Alright, cool. If you have any questions, need some help, let us know, okay?
Alright, appreciate it,
My
man.
name's Eve, I'm Eve St. Laurent, okay?
Alright, yeah, for sure. Thanks. Okay. Oh, I think you have to tie these and then like you tuck it in. That's what my brother said. Cause my brother got a pair of these. Alright, Leo, who am I right now?
Our Padre.
Yeah. when our dad gets new shoes, he always walks and he looks like this. Always, all the time. It's so funny.
Because he like really appreciates them. Like, he just like gets a good glance.
Yeah,
Like,
he's a sneakerhead too. He really likes shoes. That's how we got it.
mm-hmm.
Got it from him. I'm gonna have to go size 10.
Okay, let's go look for a size 10. Those shoes are not fresh anymore.
Yeah, these are kind of tight. Oh, I got some stuff at Nike. So did she. She got some clothes. I got a pair of shoes and I got some sweats. And we're gonna go to Adidas right now. It's our sister's birthday, so might get her something from there. And then we're gonna grab some boba later on too, so stay tuned. Okay, now we're at Forever 21. And hopefully my sister doesn't spend all her money that she just got, you know what I'm saying? Like, she's not wise with her money. But yeah, she's looking for more sports stuff, even though it's like winter right now. I don't know why. Dressing room's always closed. I don't really like being in this store because I used to talk to a girl, and I think she works here, so hopefully I don't run into her. It's gonna be really awkward. Got some, I'm not even gonna bother look at the men's section because they always have like trash stuff. Got our boba. Just I got classic oolong. She got the classic black milk tea, right?
Yep.
Look at these corgis in front of us. Oh my god. Oh, the hot sauce store. That Carolina Reaper. Oh my god, that will mess your stomach up. You'll be in the bathroom for like 2 hours. And yeah, we're gonna be heading out, and we're gonna go eat. Oh, I messed up. Okay, we'll just edit that later. When's that going, Leah? Okay. Guys, we're back, and we got our boba. I got a classic oolong milk tea with boba.
And then I got a black milk tea with boba.
Oh, this is so refreshing. I'm gonna ask you guys something. For all you sport people, who do you guys got winning the Super Bowl this year? I got the Chiefs winning, but I hope they lose. And I got the Green Bay Packers against the Chiefs, and I think the Chiefs will win 28-24. Sorry, this boba's like really good. And we also got a Pokeball. We both got the same thing.
Yeah, because I don't know what to put in your Pokeball. Because like I don't really like raw things, but I'll eat like raw tuna.
So this has ahi tuna. It's got spicy tuna. It's got some shoyu sauce, some cucumber, avocado, seaweed, and just some ginger, you know, to cleanse your palate. Ginger's healthy for you, so you gotta eat that. Shoot, how do you open this? There's different colors of tuna.
No, this.
That's ginger.
I'm not gonna eat the ginger.
Show you guys. We're gonna do the thumbnail action. Ready? So I'm gonna eat that ginger, you know.
I'll try it. Is it good?
It just tastes like ginger. You don't like that much ginger.
Get that tuna and avocado.
It's pretty good.
Oh, good.
So it's Saturday. It's my cheat day. I'm gonna be hitting the gym up with my homie Kyle. He hasn't worked out in like, let's just leave it at that. Yo, what's good? We're back. And we just got done eating.
Food coma.
We're about to head back home. She eat all our food, like always.
I couldn't.
We're gonna go up. Make sure I don't crash a damn car. I have a backup camera, but I don't use it.
You don't
'cause
trust it.
College right now, that's right. College sucks. Because of Corona. I haven't had long tea in so long.
It tastes like grass.
No, that's not it.
Yeah, it does.
It's good.
Okay, let me hear it. Oolong tea or black milk tea?
I say oolong better.
No. Okay, oolong tea is different, right? But the taste tastes like grass. Let me get a little taste.
If you get classic milk tea, boba, right? And then what, black tea? That's basic. I have a cousin.
But it's the best one.
You have a cousin, and he works at a boba shop, and he's like, yeah, when girls order that, he's like, man, you guys are so basic.
You know what this tastes like? Milk and sugar.
It goes for guys too.
Well, it's the best one. I feel like that one's just the best one. Jasmine milk tea is good.
Jasmine.
Oh, look at the mountain.
It's not raining right now for
Well,
us.
okay, wait, I want to take a picture.
What's up? Did you hear the car? And we're back in the crib.